Welcome to this month's Qubit Tech Talk. We are coming to you live from outside of Qubit's worldwide headquarters here in lovely LaPorte, Indiana. And today I'm joined by Tim Clifton. Tim has a new title. He's a solutions architect, right? Kind of a promotion for Tim. He's going to be doing a lot more in kind of a sales engineering role. Hasn't completely let go of the network security engineer, but we're transitioning that. And but today, I'm really excited about this one. He's really a drone pilot today. So Tim got a drone several weeks ago. Vinny, who works for us, has one as well. So we've had a lot of fun with it, just kind of watching some of the videos and things. And I thought, let's talk a little bit about the tech side of this. Tell me just a little bit about experience with it.
So I am the proud owner of Air 2. So this guy, he's got 2 sensors in the front, 2 in the back, and 2 on the bottom, and he communicates via satellites. That's how it can pinpoint its exact location, so it knows where to come home to should it lose signal or not be able to communicate with the controller anymore.
Right. So you were telling me a little bit earlier that there's right now 14 GPSs that are signals that are honed in on this.
Correct. The most I've ever seen is around 18, 19. So
right.
This guy, he's pretty good where he's at right now. So he's pretty pinpoint accurate.
Yeah, another thing you told me I found kind of interesting is that so this landing pad is not just like a piece of paper, but it's actually it hones in on that signal, so the drone knows where it's taking off from.
Right.
So if it has to come back, it knows where to go.
Right, and this one, it's been pretty accurate as far as landing on the H on the helipad. So the GPS, I'm very, very impressed with it.
Right, and we were talking a little bit earlier that this has got your phone. Maybe show them too. It's got your phone, mounted on top of this controller. Controller talks to the drone on 2.4 and 5 gigahertz, right?
Correct. Yep, it is dual band.
Which is same as like Wi-Fi,
correct?
Right. So a lot of the Wi-Fi that we install for customers is 2.4 and 5 gigahertz radios. And so I'm assuming just like in a Wi-Fi deployment, whether it's in a school or in a factory, there can be interference from outside things. That can happen with this as well.
Absolutely. So when I fly this thing out in a more residential neighborhood, I'm not going to get near the distance than if I were to take it out in the country where there's no radio towers, any kind of Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, any of that. So
right, gotcha. And then this device, the controller, talks to your phone via Bluetooth, right?
It's actually connected via Lightning.
Oh, okay,
right?
Okay, gotcha. Because you're able to see the maybe spin that around again. So you're able to see on the screen will show actually the camera of the drone itself, right? So it's talking 2.45 to this controller, then this controller is connected Lightning, is then you're able to view when you're flying and things, correct?
Correct.
All right. So so we're going to take this baby up, or Tim is going to take this thing up for a little bit of a spin here. So one of the things that I think is kind of cool about our worldwide headquarters is we are a hop, skip, and a jump away from about 7 lakes, right? But one especially, just right on the other side of that road is Pine Lake. So if they haven't been to our worldwide headquarters, they'll be able to see how close we are to the lake. So. So it kind of sounds like a bunch of bees. For those watching, we're going to probably cut into the video from the drone here for a while.